Let's take it back when you first gave me your heart on a late night. Make my heart race since day one. You made all my feelings take flight. Everything they lack, them that don't got no time to live no fake life. You hold my back and you turn all my dark days into daylight.
What up, it's your girl, Miss Bree, and I am back with another video, back with another video. So today, I decided that I'm gonna get Adregga. I'm gonna do a ghetto / ratchet look for him and see what he think and get his reaction, because he got me bad in that last video. If y'all didn't see it, go check it out. The panty, thong, prank, whatever he tried to pull was not cool. I'm getting him back today. So y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, this is the finishing touch. I don't know if y'all think I nailed this look, give this video a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'm gonna go pick him up just like this. I think I'm gonna go get some more stuff. Yeah, so y'all stay tuned. I'm about to get his reaction. Alright y'all, I'm back. Okay, so I'm about to go and pick him up. So I went to the store. I got a lollipop. I got some shake. I got a drink. I'm gonna be burning. I'm gonna be doing everything. Like, he's just gonna, like, he's not gonna like me today. So we gonna get his reactions. He coming out. So bear with me. Hey baby, good morning. How you doing? How you doing? Hey baby, give me some kisses. Yum. So, what we doing today? We about
what you doing?
What you mean what I'm doing? Look, don't question me. This is good. This look good. What you talking about? What I got on?
Shit. Jewelry.
Ain't go. People don't know how to drive. I can't stand that. Ugh. What you want to eat? I want some Jack in the Box.
Something quick.
I don't like Sonic no more.
Jack in the Box.
Yes. I want a taco. $2 for $4.
Let me see. You got a mole on your face?
This is a beauty mode. You better stop playing with me. Stop playing with me.
What you doing? That's after we. What you doing? What you doing?
I'm about to make you take me shopping. Keep playing with me.
Why are you licking a lollipop like that?
How you supposed to do it?
You got goals in your mouth?
You know what?
What is you doing?
Sometimes you just need some soda in your life. That's probably why you like that.
You got your braid, your hair full.
That's gonna be. You know what? I just really. You remember when I told you I didn't want soda?
Excuse me.
No, because you don't never say excuse me, so it's hot. All right. No, I'm not putting my seatbelt on today. Damn. No.
Put your seatbelt on.
Living dangerous is what we do. Thug life. From the west side. Every time I come to this light, it's red. Maybe your hair look cute like this. I like this.
I'm saying, what's going on with yours?
What color is that? What you mean? This is a Rapunzel braid. You better don't touch it. Don't touch my hair. Don't touch me. This is me. If you don't touch my hair. If you don't accept,
why you got this still on your head?
Don't touch my head. If you don't accept me, did you just say that?
Come on, man. I'm finna get in the back.
Wait.
Chill. Why you
Listen.
Why you driving like that?
Don't tell me how to drive.
Chill.
You know what? I shouldn't have never picked you up. You should have called an Uber.
Uber?
A Lyft, whatever y'all take. Whatever y'all take. I want some chicken about. I think I'm gonna get me some. I might get some James Coney Island. You like James Coney?
I ain't never had that.
What you like? We going to McDonald's, forget it.
You know I don't eat no McDonald's. Why you, come on now?
McDonald's is good. You can get a salad or something.
A salad?
Yes.
Well, I'm not finna eat no McDonald's. For real, I don't know.
What you like from McDonald's?
Nothing. A drink.
So you don't like no fries? Don't worry about it. You need a Happy Meal because you is not happy right now.
I'm saying, what's going on with this purple and stuff? Why you got all that on your
Don't
eyes?
touch me. I look good today. Like, for real. The makeup is on point. Stop telling me to put stop telling me to put my seatbelt on. I'm grown. That's what people don't understand.
The car trying to save your life.
No. This ain't my life. I'm not the life you want to save. Don't you ain't want nothing. Put that down. Where your seatbelt at? Cause your seatbelt ain't even on. Why you trying to save my life?
My seatbelt on. Click it or tick it.
You clicked it behind you.
It's clicked.
You know.
They didn't say put it on. They say click it or tick it.
If they don't go, I'm gonna beep it down. Put some on there.
Don't put no makeup on in traffic.
They need to wait, and I dare them to blow. I'm thinking about dressing like this 24/7. Go! People don't know when to go. Like, for real. Like,
Dressing like this 24/7. I'm saying, what made you do this?
because I look good. It's time for a change.
This not you.
It's
This
20.
not-
This is the 2020 me.
This not you though.
2020. No, wait. You better hold on. Ooh. How you doing? Don't be trying to fix my car. Now what you want? We get some Jack in the Box. Pull up. I pull up. I pull up. And he better hurry up and order because I'm not about to be waiting for him for 20 minutes trying to order some. They need to go inside if they got all that time. You like spicy chicken sandwiches?
Slice?
Spicy. The $5.99 one. The combo. You want a combo? Just give me 2 tacos. You better not ask for none of my tacos when I get them either. What's wrong with you? I like the way you did your hair though.
I'm saying, what, why you did Why
I'm about to order. Don't worry about it.
Why you did all that?
Yes, ma'am. What do you have for $1? Uh-huh.
Who they laughing?
Nothing?
Nah, I don't think anything for $1.
Okay, just let me get 2 tacos.
2 tacos? That'll be $140.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Okay, thank you.
Why you did that? Why you asked that lady for? Come on.
Cause I'm about to ask her, does she have change? Cause I don't want to give up $2. Well, how much was you said? 140. I'm gonna give her a bunch of pennies.
Why don't you take this out?
Don't. That's my style.
Where
See,
you get
there
them
you
goals
go.
from? Let me see.
What you mean?
How you get them 2 slugs in your mouth?
30.
Let me see. Smile.
What I need to make 140?
Smile. Let me see your teeth.
30.
Let me see.
25, 30, 30.
Man, where you get them goals from in your mouth? Let me see.
Baby, I am trying to count my change before I get to this thing. 25, 35, 40. Okay, I need to take this nickel off.
You too far away. You gotta
She
screw
need
up.
to come out here and get it. Oh my gosh. Hold on, man.
y'all.
Get a little closer.
2 tacos, 140.
Yep. This is ridiculous.
I thought 2 tacos was $1.
We in a pandemic.
Why you acting like that?
You want any sauce? Taco sauce?
What you got?
Huh?
What you got?
We got taco sauce, buttermilk, barbecue. honey
Buttermilk on
mustard.
What is
taco?
taco sauce?
Like hot sauce?
Let me try it.
Here you go, man.
Thank you. Okay. Cool. Open it for me. You know what? You being real brand new today. I don't like that.
Why you acting
I don't like that. You act
that?
like you ain't with the hood shit. You know what?
But you not.
Listen, I am that. I ought to ask him if he got my mail, because I know this FedEx man got my mail. Look at him put his head down when I roll by. You see what I'm saying?
He wasn't even thinking about you.
The car always want me to put my seatbelt on. And I'll never get into no wreck. I know how to drive.
So
Oh, the ambulance coming. We need to hurry up, because I'm not about to do is let them go first.
you not finna let the ambulance go
Let
first?
me
Why you licking that lollipop?
Give me my tacos. Here, hold it. It always be it always be the hard part right here. They always give you the hard part to start off with. Don't nobody eat this. And look at all of this. See, you gotta really tell them not so much lettuce, because they will. Yeah. With the sauce in. She ain't even put the sauce in there and ask me for it. And now if I go back up there,
Let me see, Shirley.
you know, if I go back up there, then I'ma be there in the wrong.
Why you put your fingernail in my mouth? Where you get them goals from?
So I gotta take it out when I eat. It look good, don't it? I got a compliment earlier tonight. She was like, you look good. I was here like, I know. But yeah, they always look for tacos.
I don't want no taco.
It wasn't even that good. I feel like you really make your breath stink. Open this for me. You don't do nothing for me. Ooh, this is good.
Man, say
What did
excuse.
this say? Caffeine?
Say
This say
excuse.
caffeine free.
Say excuse.
It ain't even caffeine free.
Why you did that?
It's stuck in my throat for real. I'm sick of you for real, like for real. We need to get it together, cause I'm not about to be the one that's gonna keep this relationship together. I always gotta spice things up for you. Listen, I'm telling you right now. You gotta respect it. I'm tired of you disrespecting me. You don't
Why you
appreciate.
doing all that?
You don't appreciate nothing I do. Okay? I'm independent. I do things for myself.
I'm trying to figure out why you dress like that. Like, is you going somewhere? Is it a casting call or something? Like, why are you?
Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Stop
I'm
disrespecting
saying
me.
you dressed up like.
How am I dressed up like what?
Like.
I'm dressed up like I need to be dressed up. Respect me. I'm driving, ain't I? You want to get in the back seat? You want to get in the car seat? That's what you about to do. And put your seatbelt on when you get back.
You tripping, you trying to get us pulled over. Why you chewing that gum like that?
Because the flavor is making my jaws and going to the bedroom. I got it.
Come on now, what you watching a TV show or something?
Oh.
This ain't it.
This is it, and this is what you gonna have, okay? So
This ain't
stop,
it.
please stop.
I don't like
Leave
this.
me alone, leave me alone. La, 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 la.
I don't like I don't like this dude. I'm saying why you,
Oh, you make me want to go the other way.
why you I'm saying why you doing why you
Because you was telling me about my outfit like it's not cute.
it's just
You cold now? Mess with my air conditioning. You gonna make my air just messed up. Oh, that's how come wouldn't work. Shit. No. You eat it. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give it back to the girl because you sure was nice to her. I'm gonna go give it to her.
Nice to her?
Yes.
How was nice to her?
What did you looking at her for?
I ain't even see the girl.
You did. And don't be trying to take my handicap. You need to stop disrespecting me. Period. I feel like dancing. Hide my freaking tears. Cause you don't love me like you used to. You gonna miss me when I'm gone. I just know that you gonna miss me a little when I'm gone, gone, gone. I'm gone.
I thought we were gonna do another video.
Back with another video. I'm back on another video. Team Miss Bree in the house.
You're doing too much. You're doing too much.
I've been on and around, never knew love would be like this. I'm on a whole nother cloud. Roaches the riches, I've been grinding, I've been way out of town. When I'm with you, I feel a different you, the reason I smile.